Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a color picker in native macOS application with Swift using the NSColorWell kit or NSColorWell widget. So let's see the output first. So here you can see I have this thing, NSColorWell widget, and if I click on it, here you can see I'm able to see the color picker. I can choose any one of this, select whatever makes sense to you. Okay, and if I select here you can see, I'll just quickly open this options menu. Okay, I'll just remove this, and here you can see if I select my color, it is giving me lot of logs. Okay, but as soon as I'll just again close this, and as soon as here you can see it is 5 1 then 4 times 0. If I close it, I get the final selected color as well. So yeah, that's what this is. There are different styles as well which you can show. So there is this minimal style which I will quickly show it to you. Then there is this expanded style as well. So here you can see you get this particular thing, and clicking off it you can get here you can see I got this particular thing. Okay, then there is this expanded style as well. So I will run this, and here you can see I can either click on this or I can click on this. So up to you how you want to display it. Anyways, let's see how to do this. So first I have created a native macOS application using AppKit. If you want, you can use Swift UI as well. Just indent my code a little. Okay, and here you can see I have created this NSColorWell. Choose any of the styles, whatever makes sense to you. Then I have set some default color as well. Then I'm adding our color well to our view. Then this translate auto resizing mask to false. Then I have done some NS layout constraints to it. Then I have added some action to it as well as soon as it is changed. And in the first output, if you remember, there were a lot of logs, right? It was because of this. But if you want the final color once your panel is dismissed, then you can use this particular thing. But do remember that this will not get called for our second output, which was minimal. That's why we always have to use this as well. So be careful. Okay, then here you can see this method will get called for color panel will close. So we get the final color. Then I'm just converting it to hex format and displaying it. Same for color well did change as well. I'm just getting the color. If you want, again you can convert it to hex color and just print it to the console, or use however you feel like. And to convert this NS color to hex color, this is the code for it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.